Hello, dear channel family. Welcome to this channel. In our previous lesson, we thoroughly covered two chapters. For today, we will delve into Unit 3 or linear equations. I am Anderson Worku. If you are new to the channel, I kindly invite you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel with your friends who may not know about it. I'm Anderson Worku again. Enjoy your time. Linear equations are fundamental in algebra and represent relationship between variables that graph as a straight line. A linear equation in one variable, or typically x, is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus b is equals to c, where a, b, and c are constants and a is different from zero. The goal of solving a linear equation is to find the value of the variable that makes the equation true. This guide provides a detailed step-by-step approach to solving linear equations. We will start with basic equations, which means variables on one side, and progress to the more complex ones, or variables on both sides. We will also cover equations with fractions, decimals, and parentheses. Remember, the key principles are maintain balances. Whatever operation you perform on one side of the equation, you must do the same to the other side. The second, isolate the variable. Use inverse operations or addition or subtraction, multiplication or division to get the variable alone on one side. The last step, check your solution by substituting the value back into the original equation to verify it. Section 1, basic linear equation or variables on one side. These are straightforward equations where the variable appears only on one side. Follow these steps. The first step, simplify both sides if needed. Combine like terms or distribute. Isolate the term with the variable by adding or subtracting constants. Solve for the variable by multiplying or dividing. Example 1. Solve 2x plus 3 which is equals to 7. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides to isolate the term with x. 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 7 minus 3. 2x is equals to 4. Step 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 is equals to 4 over 2. Finally, x is equals to 2. Then check the result by substituting number 2 instead of x into the original equation. 2 times 2 plus 3 is equals to 4 plus 3, which is finally 7, which matches the right side. Example 2. Solve negative 4y minus 5 is equals to 11. Negative coefficients. Step 1. Add 5 to both sides. Negative 4y minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 11 plus 5. So minus 4y is equals to 16. Step 2. Divide both sides by negative 4. Remember, dividing by a negative doesn't affect the equality here since it is not an inequality. Minus 4y over minus 4 is equals to 16 over negative 4. Finally, the result is y is equals to negative 4. Then check the result by substituting negative 4 instead of y. Negative 4 times negative 4 minus 5 is equals to 16 minus 5. Finally, the result is 11. Correct. Example 3. Solve z over 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Fractions. Step 1. Subtract 2 from both sides. Z over 3 plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 2. Z over 3 is equals to 3. Step 2. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times z over 3 is equals to 3 times 3. Finally, z is equals to 9. Check the result by substituting 9 instead of z. 9 over 3 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 2. Finally, the result is 5. Good. Tips for basic equations. If there is a fractions like x over a is equals to b, multiply both sides by a. For decimals, for example, 0.5x plus 1.2 is equals to 3.7. Then multiply through by 10 or a power of 10 to eliminate decimals. 5x plus 12 is equals to 37. Then solve as usual. X is equals to 5. Always simplify first if there are like terms. For example, 3x plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 9 becomes 5x minus 1 is equals to 9. Section 2. Linear equations with variables on both sides. This equation have terms with the variable on both the left and right sides. The extra step is to move all variable terms to one side. General steps: first, simplify both sides or distribute if parentheses are present. Combine like terms. The second step, move all variable terms to one side by adding or subtracting them from both sides. The third step, move constants to the other side. The last step, isolate the variable by dividing or multiplying. Example 1. Solve 3x plus 2, which is equals to x minus 4. Step 1. Subtract x from both sides to move variables to the left. So 3x minus x plus 2, which is equals to x minus 4. So finally 2x plus 2, which is equals to minus 4. Step 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. 2x plus 2 minus 2, which is equals to minus 4 minus 2. 2x, which is equals to minus 6. Step 3. Divide by 2 both sides. So 2x over 2, which is equals to minus 6 over 2. Finally, x is equals to minus 3. Then the last step, check the result. So substitute minus 3 instead of x. So 3 times minus 3 plus 2, which is equals to minus 9 plus 2. Then finally minus 7. So the answer is correct or right. Minus 3 minus 4, which is equals to minus 7 matches. Example 2. Solve 5a minus 3, which is equals to 2a plus 6. Step 1. Subtract 2a from both sides. 5a minus 2a minus 3, which is equals to 2a minus 2a plus 6. Then finally 3a minus 3, which is equals to 6. Step 2. Add 3 to both sides. 3a minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6 plus 3. Finally, 3a, which is equals to 9. Step 3, or the last step, divide both sides by 3. So a is equals to 3. Then check the result by substituting 3 instead of a. So 5 times 3 minus 3, which is equals to 15 minus 3. Then finally 12. The answer is right. 2 times 3 plus 6, which is equals to 6 plus 6. Finally 12. Good. Example 3. Solve 4 times in the bracket b plus 1, which is equals to 2b minus 8 with parentheses. Step 1. Distribute on the left. 4b plus 4, which is equals to 2b minus 8. Step 2, subtract 2b from both sides. 4b minus 2b plus 4, which is equals to 2b minus 2b minus 8. Then 2b plus 4, which is equals to minus 8. Step 3, subtract 4 from both sides. 2b plus minus 4 plus 4. Then which is equals to minus 8 minus 4. 2b which is equals to minus 12. Step 4, divide both sides by 2. b is equals to minus 6. Finally, check the result by substituting minus 6 instead of b. 4 times in the bracket minus 6 plus 1, which is equals to 4 times minus 5, which is equals to negative 20. The answer is correct. 2 times minus 6 minus 8, which is equals to minus 12 minus 8. Then finally, negative 20. The answer is correct. Example 4, solve 2x over 3 plus 1, which is equals to x minus 2. Fractions and variables on both sides. Step 1, subtract x from both sides or move terms. Here, let's move x to the left. 2x over 3 minus x plus 1, which is equals to x minus x minus 2. To combine, get a common denominator, 3. 2x over 3 minus 3x over 3 plus 1, which is equals to negative 2. So, minus x over 3 plus 1, which is equals to negative 2. Step 2, subtract 1 from both sides. Minus x over 3 plus 1 minus 1, which is equals to negative 2 minus 1. So finally, minus x over 3, which is equals to negative 3. Step 3, multiply both sides by 3, or inverse of dividing by negative 1 over 3. So negative 3 times negative x over 3, which is equals to negative 3 times negative 3. X is equals to 9. Then check the result by substituting 9 instead of x. 2 times 9 over 3 plus 1, which is equals to 6 plus 1. Then the result is 7. So the answer is right. So 9 minus 2, which is equals to 7. Perfect. Alternative approach for fractions. Multiply through by the least common denominator, or LCD, at the start to eliminate fractions. For the above, multiply by 3. 2x plus 3, which is equals to 3x minus 6. Then subtract 2x. 3 is equals to x minus 6. Add 6. Then finally, x is equals to 9. Section 3, special cases and common pitfalls. Infinite solutions. If simplifying leads to a true statement like 5 is equals to 5, the equation is an identity, or true for all values. For example, 2x plus 4, which is equals to 2 times in the bracket x plus 2, simplifies to 2x plus 4, which is equals to 2x plus 4. Then 0 is equals to 0. No solution if it leads to a false statement like 0 is equals to 7. There is no solution. For example, 3x plus 1, which is equals to 3x minus 2, simplifies to 1 is equals to negative 2. Impossible. Decimals and fractions. Always clear them early by multiplying by powers of 10, or the LCD, least common denominator. Parenthesis and distribution. Don't forget to distribute negatives. For example, negative in the bracket x plus 2, which is equals to negative x minus 2. Multi-step with like terms. For example, 3x plus 2 plus x. which is equals to 5x minus 1 plus 4. Combine left 4x plus 2, right 5x plus 3. Then move terms. Avoid common errors. Don't add or subtract across the equals without balancing. Always check your work.